In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix disabled chat on chess.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to chess.com and make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, we need to click onto settings. So that can either be found on the top right hand corner of the page or the bottom left hand corner of the page. So click into settings, and now it's going to take you into the settings inside chess.com. From here, we've got different tabs on the left hand side. Go ahead and click on the social tab, and now this is where we can manage your social, privacy, chat and even blog settings. Under that, we've got chat and messaging. Make sure these are enabled. So if they're currently switched off, go ahead and enable them. Then after that, it will say send and receive direct messages. You can either choose from everyone or only friends. And inside this one here, game chat, we can do everyone, request only or friends only. So you can change it to whatever inside of there. Once you've done that, you'll be able to receive chats or direct messages inside chess.com.